Pass!
Oh, wow! I'm so happy! Sorry. Feelings make me gassy.
Did it, Alfie! We really made it!
Sorry. Nervousness makes me gassy.
Everything makes you gassy.
Alarm, everyone, but we have a serious situation on our
Hello.
Bad breath.
But then he never showed up, so everyone else left. But I figured, hey, I got the place to myself, which rarely happens, so I should just let it all hang out for once.
Oh, seriously, I'm right here.
Anyway, speaking of it all hanging out, beardless guy, you better run for it. Prepare to smell my wrath.
Yeah, you know what, Bad Breath? Why don't you sit this one out?
Let's...
I can't help it, Cinder. Intense fear of being digested by fire-breathing serpents makes me... gassy. It's about to get funky up in here.
I should have skipped the one who looks like an artichoke.
Finish him off, new BFF.
Why does this always happen? Sorry.
You're so furry.
That was some...